Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Terraform on Windows, Linux, and macOS. First, browse to the Download Terraform page. Select the Windows tab under the Operating System heading. The latest version is pre-selected. Choose the binary to download. Select 386 for 32-bit systems or AMD 64 for 64-bit systems. Choose the download location for the zip file if the download does not start automatically. Unzip the downloaded file. Remember this location so you can add the path to the environment variables. Next, open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Open the Environment Variables Settings page. On the Environment Variables Edit page, open the path variable as the following. On the Open Path pop-up, click New and add the Terraform download folder. This is the folder where the zip file was downloaded and unzipped. Click OK to save the path variable addition. If needed, restart your system to apply the variable changes. Next, open a command prompt and run this command to verify Terraform is installed successfully. Verify if the correct version of Terraform is installed. First, we will go through the steps to install Terraform using the Linux package repository. Follow these steps for Ubuntu. For other Linux versions, steps are similar and will depend on the specific package repositories. Log into the system and run these steps as root for sudo access. Make sure the system is up to date and install these packages which are needed for further steps. Next, add the Hashicorp GPG key needed by the repository. Then, add the official repository for Hashicorp for Linux. Now that we have added the repo to the list, let's update to add the relevant repository content. Once update, run this command to install Terraform. That should complete the installation. To verify the version installed, run. To install Terraform on macOS using the official Hashicorp repository, firstly, add the Terraform repository. Install Terraform from the new repository by running. Run the Terraform version command to check the installed version. And steps in this guide showed you how to install Terraform on all major operating systems and how to verify the installation was successful.